Welcome! In front of me I have Wahoo Tickr Fit sensor, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this sensor with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on the sensor, and to turn it on simply press the side button right here for 3 seconds. Once you see the blue light flashing on the sensor, you can release the button, and this means that the sensor is turned on and it's ready to be paired. So we need to make sure we have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on our phone. Once we do, open the Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search, type in Wahoo Fitness and tap on search. You should see this application, Wahoo Fitness Workout. Tap on the install button to download and install the application. And after the application is done installing, you will see the open button. You can tap on it to open the app. Once the application opens, you will need to log in into a Wahoo account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on the sign up button right here to make a new account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on login, enter the email address and password, and then we can tap on login. After you log in, you will see this page. Basically, we can set up our new product. So you can tap on set up new Wahoo products right here. Select the Tickr from the list. Tap on continue. Allow the permission for the location. So tap on grant location permission. Tap on while using the app. Then tap on enable Bluetooth. And the app will start looking for the nearby devices, and it should detect your sensor. If it doesn't detect it, you could try by turning it on or on and off by pressing and holding the side button for 3 seconds basically. And as the app detects the sensor, tap on the pair button, then tap on continue, tap on finish setup. Here we can learn more about the subscription. I'm just gonna tap on no thanks, and then you will see the workout page. Then you can tap on the settings icon, select sensors, and you should see your Tickr Fit right here on the list of sensors. You can tap on it to open the device page for it. Okay, and that's how you pair this sensor with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.